New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Burlington County, northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, until 2:45. Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Trenton, Manalapan, Ewing, Princeton, Hightown, Bordentown, Cranberry, Allentown, Roosevelt. This includes the following highways: 290 and 74, New Jersey Turnpike between 8 and 8, Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 20. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering roads. Most people have security vehicles.